How to get Mythril in Terraria. So you cannot find this ore before hard mode, and it is not guaranteed to naturally generate in your world. So first you must defeat the wall of flesh. So as you can see right here, once the wall of flesh is defeated, you may now get the pawn hammer from its drops. So take this hammer to your corruption or crimson biome and smash the glowing evil altars. So just like this, and as you can see, your world has been blessed with cobalt. So the first altar you break spawns either cobalt or palladium, and the second altar that you smash has exactly a 50% chance to bless your world with Mythril or its alternative, orichalcum. We'll try to destroy another one, just like that, and we have been given orichalcum. So if your world has orichalcum, it's basically the same with Mythril, since because orichalcum is the alternative of Mythril. So if you want to have Mythril, you will need to create another world, but orichalcum is basically the same with Mythril. Now the next thing that you want to do is go to the cavern layer and mine it using a cobalt or palladium pickaxe. So here I have my orichalcum since it's the one that spawned in my world. And the absolute only way to get Mythril in your specific playthrough is by fishing. So you can go to the ocean and fish for hard mode crates, which have a random chance to drop the alternative ores. And that is how I basically get Mythril in Terraria.